This is the shrimp that has her week.
We have some large white shrimp. Squeeze it and pull, and that takes off the tail shell. Squeeze some lemon juice on there, and then we're just gonna rinse this with some room temperature water. For the seasoning now, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper and black pepper, pink salt, and we're just gonna mix that up. Okay, so we're gonna use half the amount of this seasoning to season our shrimp. Drizzle a bit of olive oil over that. Lightly seasoned all-purpose flour, cornstarch. In the of that seasoning, we're just gonna mix that up thoroughly. It's gonna go in 2 eggs. Whisk those up. Dip that in the egg. Drain the excess. And you're just gonna bread those. Oil should be heated up at this time to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Shake the excess flour off. Gonna dip that into some room temperature water slowly. We're just gonna double bread this. Shake it right into the flour mixture again. We're just gonna toss that around. Nicely breaded. So now we're gonna drop that in. Add half of this shrimp at a time. Alright, so about 2 minutes has passed. I'm gonna remove these because I want to get a nice bright color on them. So let's put them on a wire rack, and we're gonna give those shrimp a second fry to get color and extra crispiness. I remove them. So just a minute, look at that. Okay, so now for the sauce, we have here some fresh cilantro. About the juice from half of a lime. Thai chili sauce, Caesar dressing, and we give this a proper whisk. So add that crispy fried shrimp in our bowl. Just gonna drizzle some of that sauce over. And we're just gonna toss
Like
this.
and follow for more because